Hello everyone, my name is Monica and this is a new episode of Aliens of the Deep. Beneath the waves of our vast oceans, there lives a creature that seems to come from another world. With 3 hearts and blue blood, the octopus is a master of disguise and problem solving. To give you an idea of their mental power, their neurons are spread through their 8 arms. For instance, an arm can think and react even if it's separated from the brain. An example of this incredible biology is their ability to change color and texture in milliseconds. Specifically, they use specialized cells called chromatophores to disappear into the sun. To illustrate my point, they don't just hide, they mimic rocks, algae, or even other fish. For example, the mimic octopus can imitate up to 15 different marine species to avoid predators. Scientists have spent years observing these primates of the sea in labs. I spoke with a marine biologist who conducted a famous experiment with jars. She said that the octopus had learned to unscrew the lid from the inside to escape. It was a breakthrough. She also told me that her octopus recognized different human faces and react differently to each person. During our interview, the researcher mentioned that the animal felt frustrated when a puzzle was too easy. Furthermore, the lab reports explain that the octopus understands how to use tools like coconut shells for protection. Finally, the biologists say that we need to stop seeing them as just food and start seeing them as individuals. But how can a creature that only lived for a few years be so smart? I asked the lead investigator about their learning process. I'm sorry, what do you mean by short-term intelligence? I asked. The scientist explained that they learn everything alone without parents. Are you saying that they possess complex knowledge without being taught by others? He confirmed that their intelligence is purely experimental. I'm not sure I follow you. Could you explain how do they solve new problems so fast if they have no social structure? The researcher noted that their curiosity is their greatest teacher. So if I understand correctly, their brain evolved for survival in a way that mimics human logic? This realization brings us to a difficult question. If octopus live for 80 years instead of 5, they will probably rule the ocean. Their only limit is time. If we were more intelligent as humans, we wouldn't keep these sensitive creatures in tiny tanks for our entertainment. We must reconsider our relationship with the sea. If an octopus were able to communicate with us directly, it would tell us about the beauty of the abyss. It is a tragedy that we are just starting to understand them. If I had the chance to observe one in the wild, I would feel like I'm meeting an alien. Ultimately, if the world cared more about marine life, we will create massive protect zones to ensure their survival. The oceans still hold many secrets, such as the deep sea giants we have yet to discover. The octopus is a reminder that their intelligence takes many forms. This has been Aliens of the Deep. I am Monica. Thank you for listening.